another video on the Court of Justice of the European Union, often known as the CJEU. In this video, we will dive into what the CJEU is, its role, and how it's structured. The video is produced thanks to the EU Justice Insight project. This project is co-funded by the Erasmus Plus of the European Union. And let's get started. What is the Court of Justice of the European Union? The Court of Justice of the European Union is the highest court in the European Union for the matters of the EU law. It ensures that the EU law is interpreted and applied uniformly across all member states, helping to maintain legal consistency and harmony across the Union. In other words, the Court of Justice of the European Union interprets the EU law and makes sure that it is applied in the same way in all the European Union countries. It is located in Luxembourg and it was established in 1952. Let's now see the structure of the Court of Justice of the European Union. It is composed of two distinct courts. The first one is the Court of Justice, which is the primary court and consists of one judge from each member state and 11 advocates general. The judges and advocates general are appointed for 6-year terms, and the role is to interpret the European Union law and ensure its consistent application across the member states. The second court is the General Court. The General Court deals with a broad range of cases, including disputes involving EU institutions and member states, intellectual property rights, and competition law. It consists of 2 judges from each EU country. In each court, the judges select a president who serves a renewable term of 3 years. And now let's see the functions of the Court of Justice of the European Union. The Court of Justice of the European Union has several critical functions. For instance, it rules the preliminary rulings. That means that it answers questions referred by national courts regarding the interpretation of application of the European law. That means how the law is interpreted. National courts of the European Union countries are required to ensure EU law is properly applied, but courts in different countries might interpret it differently. If a national court is in doubt about the interpretation or validity of an European Union law, it can ask the court for clarification. The second function is enforcing the law. This type of case is taken against a national government for failing to comply with the European Union law. It can be started by the European Commission or another European Union country. One of the third functions is annulling European Union legal acts. That means action for annulment. If an European Union act is believed to violate European Union treaties or fundamental rights, the court can be asked to annul it. Private individuals can also ask the court to annul a European Union act that directly concerns them. One fourth function is ensuring the European Union takes action. That means action for failure to act. The Parliament, Council, and the Commission must take certain decisions under certain circumstances. If they don't, European Union governments, other EU institutions, or under certain conditions, individuals or companies can complain to the court. Another function is sanctioning EU institutions. That means action for damages. Any person or company who has had their interests harmed as a result of the action or inaction of the EU or its staff can take action against them through the court. The Court of Justice of the European Union plays a crucial role in the legal framework of the European Union. It ensures that the European law can be applied consistently across all member states and maintain the integrity of the Union's legal system. Thank you for watching this video of the Court of Justice of the European Union and its structure. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much.